This assessment tells us that this reaction, which is related to the diazomethane reaction, except it's attempting to form an ethyl ester, does not work as written. Instead, it produces these products instead of forming the ethyl ester product that is desired. Asks us to suggest a mechanism to account for the formation of these products. It's going to start very similar to the diazomethane reaction. We'll take a lone pair of electrons on carbon, attack the acidic hydrogen, deprotonate the carboxylic acid. That's going to form a carboxylate intermediate, just like the regular diazomethane reaction. Our byproducts then will be the ethyl version of the diazomethane reagent. The difference here is that the leaving group has a beta hydrogen. Because the leaving group has a beta hydrogen, instead of doing the SN2 reaction to form the ester, we can perform an E2 reaction to form the alkene, kicking out nitrogen gas as a leaving group. That is going to account for the formation of the products that we do see. We see ethylene gas, nitrogen gas, and the original carboxylic acid as the products of this reaction.